Hi everyone. This afternoon's meditation is going to be a bit different. In the last 24 hours I've been feeling a fairly major amount of grief, and it's even though I've been aware of everything going on around the world. One of my clients lost her mother in a old people's home in the UK 2 days ago, and it broke my heart because she can't go to the funeral. And there are other people in that aged care facility that have also lost their lives. And it once again makes me realise that none of us are going to come out of this without people that we know and love who have been either lost their life or forever damaged because of the side effects of viruses. So there's a meditation that I learned in yoga many years ago, and what it asks to do is take on the hurt and suffering of other people, feeling it in your heart, and only giving out love and compassion. In Australia, in the last 24, 48, 36 hours as well, we've had cruise ships who Australia is their home port, and we've ordered them out of our waters. There are people on board who are sick. Today is World Health Day, and yet as Australians I feel it's very un-Australian not to be helping people who are potentially in need. It feels this is not the way we usually work. So this one is about love, it's about compassion, it's about supporting someone you know who is going through loss and trauma. I've got the rose quartz here because rose quartz is about love and compassion. So close your eyes, take a nice deep breath. Just want you to find yourself nice and centered. And breathe. And breathe. So think about someone in your world, your family, your friends, our frontline healthcare workers, even people in a specific country that you're feeling this passion, this energy, this trauma or care for. And I just want you to imagine all their trauma, all their sickness, all the trauma they're taking on, and I want you to pull it in. Our hearts are big, we can take it. I want you to pull it in as black energy, help to take it off those people, off those continents, off those loved ones, off those workers. Take it into our own hearts and release love, care and compassion. Taking out the trauma, the loss, the grief, the fear, the anger. Bring it into our hearts. And breathe out love, compassion, joy, care. And once again, take in the trauma, the loss, the fear, the anger, the grief. Take it into your heart. And breathe out love and care and compassion. And breathe in and out. I choose compassion. Breathe in and out. I choose to release anger. Breathe in and out. I choose to release grief. Breathe in and out. I choose to release loss. My heart is strong. My heart is healthy. I choose compassion. My heart is strong. My heart is healthy. I choose compassion. Now I want you to think of one particular person you know who's in trauma at the moment. I want you to visualize them. And I want you to think about the trauma that they're going through. And I want you to bring their trauma to you and take it into your heart. And give back love and joy and compassion. Think about them again for a moment. And bring in their fear, their trauma, their danger, their survival. Bring it into your heart. And give back love and joy and compassion. Wow, I can really feel some big energy there. So I'm just going to whisk through our main 7 chakras, dispersing any energy that's stuck. Dispersing that energy. I release any and all built up trauma and energy. I release unnecessary survival skills. My heart is filled with joy, compassion, and love for everyone on the planet. I choose to see the good in my world. I choose to thank the doctors and scientists who are working for the good of us all. I choose to believe that the governments have my best interest at heart. All is good in my world. All is good in my world. I am well. I am happy. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. Take care. I'm loving all the messages you're sending at the moment, telling me about all your personal stories. The world is smaller than it's ever been before. This is the closest we've ever connected in a global crisis. This has to be a good thing. Love you all. Take care. Stay well. Look after you. Look after yours. And keep healthy and happy.